First, we need to generate a Google Maps API key. Click on Get Started. Choose Maps. Continue. Select the project. Copy the generated API key. Go back to Android Studio. Create a new Flutter project. Give it a name. Now let's remove everything. Replace the root widget with a material app. Next, let's create a stateful widget. And use it as the home of the material app. Now it's time to add the widget dependency. Open PubSpec. Add Google Maps Flutter version 0.0.3+3. Package get. Let's first run the application once, so that it will generate the dependencies for the iOS app. Sometimes the first run finished with error. It's not a big issue. Just compile and run the app again. We got the blank home screen because we only have a container. Now it's time to add the Google Maps widget. First, we need to provide API key for the Android and iOS app individually. For Android app, it's in the app source main Android manifest. Let's add a metadata with the Android name com.google.android.geo.api key, and the value is API key. For iOS, it's in the runner app delegates. Add it in the Xcode. Expand runner. Go to runner subfolder. Open the app delegates.swift. Import Google Maps. And we can provide the API key. GMS service provide API key and specify the API key. One more thing for the iOS, we need to add a new key in the info.p list. io.flutter.embedded views preview. The value type is Boolean and value is yes. Save. Now we can close Xcode and go back to Android Studio. Try to run it again. Everything looks good so far. Finally, it's time to add Google Maps to the home screen. Import Google Maps. Add Google Map widget to the container. Compile and run the application. Here we go. We have the Google Maps displayed in our app.